In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block spam emails in Outlook and take back control of your inbox. If you're tired of getting bombarded with unwanted messages, phishing attempts, or promotional emails you never signed up for, this tutorial is for you. I'll walk you through using Outlook's built-in junk email filter, blocking specific senders and domains, and adjusting your protection level to catch more spam automatically. This works whether you're using Outlook on the web or the desktop app. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, let's talk about blocking specific senders and domains using the blocked senders list. This is perfect when you keep getting spam from the same email address or website. To do this, click the gear icon at the top right of your Outlook window. This is your settings menu. Once the settings panel opens, select Mail, then navigate to Junk Email. Now you'll see a section labeled Blocked Senders and Domains. Click Add. Type in the email address or domain you want to block. For example, if you're getting spam from someone at spam.com, you can type spam.com to block everything from that domain. Once you've typed it in, press Enter or click the Add icon. Then click Save to apply your changes. That sender or domain is now blocked, and any future emails from them will go straight to your junk folder. Next, let's adjust the junk email filter level. Outlook has different levels of protection, and you can choose how aggressive you want the filter to be. Go back to Settings, then Mail, then Junk Email. Under the junk email section, you'll see options like Standard, Strict, and Safe Lists Only. Standard will catch the most obvious spam. This is the default setting and works well for most users. Strict is more aggressive and will filter out more emails, but it might catch some legitimate messages too. Safe List Only is the most restrictive. It only allows emails from senders you've specifically approved. This is useful if you want maximum control, but it requires more setup. Choose the level that fits your needs, then click Save to finalize your changes. Now, here's an important tip. No matter what filter level you choose, you should regularly check your junk email folder. Why? Because sometimes legitimate emails get mistakenly filtered as spam. These are called false positives. If you find a real email in your junk folder, right-click it and select Not Junk to move it back to your inbox. This also helps train Outlook's filter over time. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to block spam emails in Outlook. Adjust your junk filter settings, and keep your inbox clean and secure. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.